How to send the message in your Redmi Mobile. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can send a message in your Redmi Mobile. First of all, you have to open up your messaging app. So on your Redmi phone, look for the messaging app here. Just go and tap on the messaging app. So in the messaging app, you have to look for the option to create a new message or the plus icon. You have to tap on that button. And here you have to just go for the recipient here and you have to select the recipient here. So once you have just go and type that recipient here, you can manually enter the phone number too. And you have to tap on the text field where it says the text message. So use the on-screen keyboard to type your messages. Once you are finished, you can easily tap on the arrow icon to send your messages. That's it, your message will be sent to the recipient. So this is the simple step how you can send the message from your device to another person through the messaging app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.